Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk through the process of replacing the hard drive in the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, as well as performing essential maintenance to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Ensure you have a new hard drive ready for installation, preferably a solid-state drive for improved performance. Begin by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting the power adapter. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the panel. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After removing the panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive compartment. It is typically secured with additional screws. Carefully remove these screws, and then gently slide out the old hard drive. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you through the process. Now, take your new hard drive and slide it into the same compartment, ensuring it is properly aligned. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. This is a critical step, as a loose hard drive can cause performance issues. Before we close up the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal cooling and performance. If you're unsure about this process, you can always opt for our pickup and delivery service at your home, making maintenance hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just easy service. Once you've cleaned the interior, it's time to replace the bottom panel. Align it carefully and press down to ensure it clicks into place. Then, reinsert the screws to secure the panel. Don't forget to double-check that all screws are tight, as this can prevent any rattling or noise during operation. Now, flip the laptop back over, reconnect the power adapter, and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS setup to ensure that the new hard drive is recognized. If everything looks good, proceed to install your operating system onto the new drive. Finally, remember to keep your laptop well maintained. Regular cleaning and updates can prolong its lifespan significantly. If you ever need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost up front. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you enhance the performance of your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.